Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. In this video, I am going to tell you what all you need to follow when you are editing. First, you need to make a high quality video. According to YouTube algorithm, if you give the highest quality video, you will get a lot of reach. We are going to see all this quality in detail. Then, at the beginning of your video, make sure you have your brand's intro. So, don't miss that. Only then your brand's awareness will be widely reached. Usually, if you watch my video, after giving a welcome intro, my brand's intro will definitely come. So, make sure your brand's intro is within a maximum of 5 seconds. Next, definitely use your brand's watermark in your video. This will be helpful in many cases. Like promoting your brand. If someone is re-uploading your video on YouTube, this watermark will be useful for you to find out. Then, definitely use quality actions in your video. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon, share. Use all these quality actions. Similarly, you will get animated subscribe buttons. So, definitely use that in your videos. Then, definitely use end screen at the end of your video. Make sure it is within a minimum of 5 to 10 seconds. Because you would have seen the features of YouTube. Like a playlist or a video, you can put it on the end screen. So, you should keep the space for the end screen blank without any voiceover. For example, in all my videos, I would have kept a space for the end screen blank. In that space, I would select which video or playlist my viewers would like to watch. So, definitely use the end screen. The last one is very important. The file name of your video should be your primary keyword. Like, how to create a YouTube channel is your keyword. That should be the file name of your video. If you keep it like that, you will get more reach for your video. Then, best video format for YouTube. There are many formats available for videos. Like MP4, MOV, AVI, 3GP. These are all video formats. The video format suggested by YouTube is MP4 format. So, our video will be high quality in this file format. Similarly, the size of the file will be average. Make sure your video is in MP4 format. Next, we are going to see the correct video size. The lowest resolution of YouTube is 240px. You can't upload a video with lower resolution than this. So, you can upload videos in 360px, 480px, 720px, 1080px, 2K, 4K, 8K. The most commonly offered resolution is 720px and 1080px. We can record in this resolution on our mobile. Make sure the minimum resolution of your video is in HD, like 720px to 1080px. So basically, all the videos I upload are in full HD. I upload videos in 1080px. Next, let's see some important things. According to YouTube, you can upload videos up to 120GP. If it is more than that, they will reject it. Similarly, the length of the video will support only up to 12 hours. If you upload videos above 12 hours, YouTube will immediately cancel your videos. I hope you understood everything I said. Before I upload my videos, let me show you how I optimize my videos. I have my thumbnail, my video, and my raw file. My thumbnail reads, "The ultimate video optimization on your YouTube." Similarly, my video reads, "The ultimate video optimization on your YouTube." If you have a thumbnail like this, it will be useful to show your video in YouTube suggestions. And it will be useful to be easily discovered on YouTube. So, make sure your thumbnail, your video's file name, and your title name are the same. If you follow everything I said and make a video and upload it on YouTube, it will definitely give you a good result. I hope you understood everything I said. If you didn't understand anything, comment in the comments section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Only then you will get all my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.